Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare Kadai Paneer. Ingredients for Kadai Paneer: 250 grams of paneer, around 15 numbers of garlic cloves, small piece of ginger, 1 bell pepper, 2 tomato, 3 onion, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, salt to taste and required oil. Dice the tomato, dice the bell pepper, dice the onion, grate the ginger and grate the garlic. Keep the pan in flame. Add oil, grated garlic, grated ginger, diced onion, salt as required. We're going to lid this one for 2 minutes. We forgot to add the cumin seed. So we're going to add the cumin seed. So you have to add along with the garlic and the ginger. So we added now. If you want separately, if you are forgetting like this, you can fry that one separately and you can add that one also. But there is enough oil in this one. So we plan to add in this one itself. So we're going to add the tomato. It's very tasty, full of protein. Those who are on diet, they can have only this one as a dinner. So we're going to lid this one for 2 minutes. So we're going to open the lid. We're going to add the bell pepper, chili powder and turmeric powder, coriander powder, so we're going to lid this one for 2 minutes. I'm going to open the lid. Now everything is cooked. We're going to add the paneer. What's the main ingredient? See, the color itself very attractive. It's tempting me to eat. I'm waiting. We're going to add the garam masala. So we're going to let this one for paneer now. Before this one we put for bell pepper. Now this 2 minutes is for paneer. So everything blended together and the masala and all, it will catch in paneer and you will get a nice aroma. So we're going to check. So when you are keeping lid, just keep in sim flame. I think paneer is also cooked. It's blended. I can smell the nice aroma of Kadai Paneer. We're going to add the chopped coriander leaves with this one. Coriander leaves is optional. If you want, you can add, otherwise leave it. Switch off the flame. Kadai Paneer from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.